Didn't sleep so good last night. Way too close to this highway here. It is noisy and people never stop driving. Every once in a while I'd start dozing off and I swear a pack of Harleys would go by or something. Wake me right up. So I'm gonna get everything packed up. Some truck coming along the road spotted me. He actually stopped. I tried to hide and then he honked at me seen, so I just waved, but I'm afraid he's gonna end up calling the reservation cops, so I need to get the fuck out of here. I don't think I've ever attached my front bag so quick. Anyways, I got out of there. Fortunately, either he was cool and he didn't call the cops, he's just picking on me, or, well, like most police departments, the response time is way too slow to do anything about it. So now I'm on the main highways. All right, made it back to the mega metropolis. From this point in town on my route, it looks like I got about 53 more miles. Luckily, there's a Circle K like on every corner, so I don't have to worry about water or anything like that. Pretty much just got to worry about getting ran over when I'm on the road system. That's all. Anyways, onward and forth. This is way more relaxing than the road. Hey man, when you can get pavement away from roads, it's like a godsend. Sitting off in the middle of Tempe now for somewhere to take a little bit of a break. Somewhere that I don't look like a homeless person. Stopped off here at Prieston University Drive to give me a little bit of Pepsi to cool off. Oh shit, I guess I should have iced my water. Damn it. And I'm gonna get some ice water. Now I'm following the, oh crap, I don't remember what river it is. The river that comes off Tempe Town Lake. Aquafia? Something like that? I'm not sure. But it's definitely a lot nicer than riding on the bike lane of a road. It gets real nerve-wracking, constantly having to protect your life. But yeah, this is nice. Unfortunately, I think Strava is routing me through downtown. At least it'll be scenic, I guess. Visit Phoenix. You will be flying into there. That is Sky Harbor Airport, located in the center of Phoenix. Phoenix is funny. They keep putting blocking off these pathways with fences. Luckily, somebody already took care of this problem for me. Doesn't seem to be any need for it. I don't know. I don't know what they're doing. I'm heading into downtown Phoenix, it looks like. Joy. Get to dodge lots of cars. The joys of life. What do you do, eh? What do you do? Hallelujah. The traffic signals. This is pretty cool here. They got the whole lane. It says bike may use whole lane. Which I know in Arizona you can't anyways, but it's nice to have it posted for all the other drivers. Get tired of getting honked at. Yeah, there we go. That's the sign right there. It's nice to have that posted. Screw cars, man, they're loud. I own one, but I don't drive much. Actually, I own a couple, me and my wife. We're both, well, I'm an investor, she works from home. So, pretty much the only place we drive is to the grocery store. Look at that, found another canal. What's up, guys? Oh
You don't mind if I hang here for a sec, do you? The ducks. It's a city that never ends. Someone started building it, not knowing what it was. Then they never stopped building it because we keep populating too much. It's a city that never ends. Whew. It's funny when you start getting hot, things like this just seem like a godsend. I made it back to the Arizona Canal Trail. Whew, man. Phoenix's sun. I'm telling you. But yeah, I could take this all the way back to my house. I'll probably skip one section, save myself a couple miles. It kind of streams out of the way. I'll jump off at Thunderbird. Back to the tunnel game. Homeless or no homeless? Oh crap. Looks like I lost my sunblock somewhere and chapstick. Yep, they both fell out too, damn. So I've lost 2 joints, a sunblock, a chapstick. It was because I got packed up in a hurry because I was spotted in my stealth spot. Thought he was gonna call the cops on me. Oh well, all that is still a lot cheaper than paying a trespassing fine. I don't even know what that is. Like $1,500, I don't know. There's castles and coasters and I-17. Oh, here we go. Homeless or no homeless? I'm gonna say homeless, definitely. There was always is on this one. Let's see for shit. Hello. I think we need brighter lights. Got some of that almost home energy. It's like the last bit left in my body. I'm just pushing it. I'm really close. Yeah, this is my stomping grounds. Oh man, I am looking forward to a fudgesicle. Maybe 2. Oh, and a shower. Imagine the first thing my wife's gonna tell me, you stink. I made it back. Oh, I think my dog's happy to see me there. Oh, I am way overheated. It should be cooler for November. Guys, build a giant dome over all of Arizona and just pump AC into it. Whew, man, yeah, I thought that was going to be much cooler. Oh, fudgesicle.
Hi, I'm supposed to jump over.
Say hi.
Hi.
That's my granddaughter there, Winter. Oh, yes, Shaggy. Yes. Oh, he's a good boy. Yes, he is.
Don't eat those too fast.
All right, and that's what kept me going for the... Oh, wow, my hair looks really bad. Oh, well, I'm not that bad. Oh, I'm gonna scarf this down. Try to have a good day. Bye. Hey, how's it going? It's Eric. Today, I'm gonna start my tour to